And we are back here on Open. Washington Heights Wellness is an integrative healthcare center empowering patients to lead a healthier lifestyle and achieve a higher quality of life through Oriental medicine. Now, they recently held an event teaching self-care techniques for patients with thyroid disorders. And here now is sharing a little bit more is the founder of the event and the owner of the Washington Heights Wellness, Dr. Rosanna De La Cruz, and we welcome you to the show.
Thank you.
Good. And so for people who don't know a little bit about Washington Heights Wellness, please give us a little background.
So we opened about 3 years ago, and we have been helping many people, including people from the Bronx, since it's so close by.
Right.
It's on 187th and Broadway. We help people in pain, so I'm a holistic endocrinologist, which has to do with the thyroid disorders and the event that we just held last Saturday, and pain relief expert, so fibromyalgia, herniated disc, sciatica. So that's our focus, and we have helped many people achieve a life full of pain, free of pain.
And a lot of people, when they go through this battle, right? Because there's, medicine that's prescribed by the doctor. Then there's a talk about using something naturally, right? And you come from a natural perspective.
Yes.
So talk to us about the natural perspective and how that's been effective.
Well, I come from a family of doctors, including both of my parents, and I see that conventional medicine has great solutions, and it's even better when we integrate it with natural medicine because we're able to allow the body to heal. The body heals itself. We can focus on taking care of our body and making lifestyle changes as well as dietary changes that can help us heal faster. And also visiting a natural medicine expert that has dedicated their life to just help our patients do just that.
Right, and you've got natural medicine and natural solutions to a lot of different illnesses. Give us a little bit about some of the illnesses that you treat.
Well, specifically, the last event that we held was around thyroid disorders. Most of hormonal imbalances as well as pain are associated with high levels of inflammation. We all hear that I have a lot of inflammation, but what does that mean? Inflammation is the body trying to defend itself against viruses or different type of mechanisms that go in the body. So when we talk about the thyroid disorders, we're talking about inflammation, hormonal imbalance, and in most cases, poor blood circulation. So we focus on the root cause of the problem to help our patients heal from the root cause, not only the symptoms, but we know that health is not only the physical aspect. When we're not feeling well, we know that our emotional well-being is in play, also our mental well-being, and we cannot even socialize with people the same way when we're not feeling well.
Acupuncture, Oriental medicine, two of the things that you use and two of the things that we hear a lot about. Give us a little bit more background for somebody who may not know about acupuncture or Oriental medicine and how that works in the natural realm.
Well, we have many scientific studies now with over 100 conditions that are proven to be a safe and effective treatment for pain and hormonal imbalances. We can list all of those, but what people really want is to feel better. So acupuncture is a modality in the Oriental medicine category where we look at the patient individually. We don't really look at the disease only, but we're looking at each patient the way they are, because we know whether it's insomnia, headache, or any disease, it doesn't affect each person the same. So we want to focus on each person individually, and acupuncture and Oriental medicine has been around 2,000 years before conventional medicine. So now it's coming here to America, but many countries have been using it for many years.
So if people want to find out more information about natural versus conventional medicine, and they walk through your doors, what are some of the things that you tell them to kind of like ease the fear? Because it's a little bit of an unknown, right? We don't always know. We know that there's out there, but we don't know all that comes with it. So what do you tell people when they're interested in finding out more information about natural medicine?
Well, the first thing is that we know that the body heals itself.
Right.
So natural medicine, that's the foundation of natural medicine. And then it's very important to be aware of conventional medicine because we cannot ignore the fact that we need it. And it is very important to integrate both. So we focus primarily on making sure that the patients, let's say they're taking medication, we don't actually go against conventional medicine. We integrate both of them because it's necessary. Somebody that suffers from hypertension, diabetes, they can continue on their medication and still treat the root cause of the problem. So eventually they will feel a lot better.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming, doctor, and sharing a little bit. And of course, we give people the information to get connected to you.
Yes, Washington Heights Wellness, 187th and Broadway, or acupuncturelocal.com.
She said it best. Now, listen, if you want to learn more about Dr. Rosanna De La Cruz's natural self-care techniques, please visit their Washington Heights Wellness Center. If you want to know the address again, it's 4386 Broadway Avenue. Now, for more information on upcoming events, you can also visit their website at acupuncturelocal.com or by email at acupuncturelocal@gmail.com. All right, stay tuned. We got more open coming up. We'll be right back right after this.